Hi, myself Soumya THM, guest lecturer in Zoology, ADB First Grade College, Harapanalli. Students, today I give some informations about the sex chromosomal abnormalities. Sex chromosomal abnormalities means whether it is an addition of X or Y chromosomes or deletion of X or Y chromosomes, that is known as the sex chromosomal abnormalities. Addition or deletions of the X chromosomes in the both autosomes and also allosomes. Autosomes means it is in a morphological characters or external characters that occurs in the 23 pairs of the chromosomes or 44 chromosomes. That chromosomes that is known as autosomes. The remaining two is the allosomes. Then the allosomes, it is expressed for the characters is the sex characters, whether it is a male or female, that is known as allosomes. In the normal human beings, the presence of both autosomes and also for allosomes. Autosomes means 23 pairs of the chromosomes is present in the human beings, both male and also for female. Remaining two chromosomes, that is the allosomes. One is the XX, that is indicated for the sex of the female. X and Y, that is indicated for the male. Okay, that is known as a sex chromosomal abnormalities. The sex chromosomal abnormalities, it is also known as syndromes. Syndromes means it is a medical sign and symptoms. These two correlated with each other and associated, then it causes for any particular diseases or disorders. There are few different types of the syndromes is there. For examples, Klinefelter syndromes, Down syndromes, Turner syndromes, Cry-Du-Chart and XXY syndromes, etc. These are the few different types of the syndromes that it causes for the sex chromosomal disorders. Sex chromosomal abnormalities, it is also caused by some of the factors is influenced. Some of the factors like environmental factors. Environmental factors, for example, temperatures, and sometimes it is also it causes for the parental activities at the time of after the pregnancy. Then the parents, to both male and also for the female parents, then it causes for the these are the few different types of the syndromes. Brief informations about the Down syndromes. The Down syndromes, it is also known as trisomy 21st. That syndrome, it is also discovered by one of the scientists, T. Langdon Down, in 1866. The Down syndrome's chromosomal complement is 45 autosomes plus allosomes XX, that is female. Another one of the chromosomal complement is 45 autosomes and XY. These two is the allosomes, that is for male sex. The Down syndromes, it is caused by the Down syndromes, it is the additions of the one of the X chromosomes in the 21st positions of the chromosomes. That type of the syndromes that is known as Down's syndromes. Addition of one of the X chromosomes, for examples, in the human being 44 autosomes is there. In that of the 44 autosomes, in the 21st autosomes, in that of the positions, additions of the one of the X chromosomes, then due to formations of the 45 chromosomes, that 45 chromosomes, it is that chromosomes is the autosomes of both, whether it is a male or female. That positions of the 21st positions of the chromosomes, then it occurs for non-disjunctions of the chromosomes at the time of the cell divisions. For examples, at the time of the oogenesis and spermatogenesis, in the sometimes in the infections of the virus, and also in the sometimes then it causes for the radiation damage, then it causes for addition of the one X chromosomes and Y chromosomes or deletions of the X or Y chromosomes, then it causes for the Down syndrome. The symptoms of Down syndromes, and the first one is mild or moderate mental retardations. Thus, Down syndrome persons, then the mental retardations is mental retardations that occurs in Down syndromes. Then eyes are slant up and epithelial folds are seen in the eyes. The tongue is large, swollen and protruding. Then the protruding means then the tongue comes out through the mouth, that is known as a protruding. The next one of the symptoms is ears are small and underdeveloped in compared to the normal persons. The short statures means then the sizes of the body structures it becomes to very small. Next of the symptoms is stubby fingers. Stubby fingers means then the fingers it becomes to small and thick fingers. That is also to one of the important symptoms of the Down syndromes. Next one of the symptoms is the skull is enlarged, nose is flattened. Next one is enlargement of liver and spleen. That picture is the karyotypes of Down syndromes. Then that of the karyotype means the arrangements of the chromosomes, that is known as karyotypes. In the Down syndromes persons, they are both the autosomes and also for allosomes. The autosomes is the 22 pairs of the autosomes. For example, first to 20 chromosomes is the pair of the chromosomes, but in the 21 chromosomes, the additions of one of the X chromosomes in the 21st positions of the autosomes, and the remaining autosomes, 22nd autosomes, it is also a pair of the chromosomes. And then remaining one of the allosomes. Allosomes is the X and Y, sometimes X and X, that is for female. Then the allosomes, that is both it occurs in male and also for the female. That pictures it is the karyotype of the syndrome. Students, that pictures it is the children's it's affected for the Down syndromes. You see already told about the symptoms of the Down syndromes. Then see, then the eyes it becomes to slant. Slant means slightly thin, and in the uppermost part of the eyes, then the skin it becomes to folding. Then the eyes it becomes then the head regions is enlarged, nose is flattened, and you see the ear is small and underdeveloped. The next one of the symptoms is then the tongue it becomes to large and protruding out of the mouth. That is the one of the important symptoms of the Down syndromes. Okay, these pictures it is suffering from Down syndromes of the girls. These two girls. Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome it is also to one of the chromosomal abnormalities. Turner syndrome it is also to known as a monosomic syndrome. Then the Turner syndrome is discovered by the scientist Henry Turner. Is one of the American physician. Is discovered in 1938. That the Turner syndrome it is only caused for females, not for male. Then the Turner syndrome it is also to return 2n-1 because one of the X chromosomes is absent or lost, and hence it is returned for 2n-1. One of the X chromosomes is lost at the time of non-disjunctions of the chromosomes in the oogenesis. The chromosomal complement of the Turner syndrome 44 autosomes, and remaining one is the allosomes. Allosomes you see X and 0. only X chromosomes is present, remaining one of the X chromosomes is absent at the time of the oogenesis, the non-distinctions of the chromosomes that occurs, then in the female it suffers from Turner syndromes. In the Turner syndromes, there are 45 chromosomes is present instead of the 46 chromosomes. Turner syndrome symptoms are the sterile female with underdeveloped ovaries. Underdeveloped ovaries means that the sizes of the ovaries it becomes to very small and the hormones it does not form, then do not formations of the functions of the ovaries. Then webbed neck. Webbed neck in that of the regions, then the skin it becomes to loose, then due to formations of the webbing of the neck, and broad chest. Then short stature. Next point, the release of the female hormones is less. Next one of the symptoms is they don't show puberty and menstrual cycle. Next one of the symptoms is IQ is less than the normal person and poor development of the secondary sexual characters in the female. Then it is also to occur for cardiovascular abnormalities. Cardiovascular abnormalities means then it causes for the heart diseases. One, uterus remains small. Then the uterus it becomes to very small when compared to normal woman. Then it is also to affected at the time of the pregnancy. Next one, puffy fingers. Puffy fingers means then the fingers it becomes to swollen. The fingers due to depositions of the some of the liquids, and then the fingers it look like a swollen fingers. That fingers it is also to known as puffy fingers. Next, low hair lines on the nape of the neck, in the lower regions of the neck regions due to formations of the hairs. These are the few symptoms of the Turner syndrome. That is the picture of the Turner syndrome's female. Okay, you see the ear, eyes, nose and webbed neck regions. In that of the neck regions it becomes a loose skin, then the short stature, then in that of the lower neck regions then due to formations of the hairs. That is the symptoms of the Turner syndromes. There is a karyotypes of the Turner syndromes to both autosomes and also for the allosomes. Then the 22 pairs of the autosomes is in the normal and the remaining one of the chromosomes, that is the allosomes. In that of the allosomes only one X chromosomes is present, but the remaining one of the X chromosomes is absent. In that of the positions is formed by or it is caused by the non-distinctions of the chromosomes at the time of the oogenesis. Then it causes for the Turner syndromes. That Turner syndromes is affected only for the female, not for the male.